Hi, Amardeep this side and you're watching TechBang. So lots of you guys make a video and put a lot of hard work in making into that video and upload it on YouTube and gets no views. It's pretty hurting to get only 5 views on 10 views on making such a good video and have done all the hard work. So what's the main problem? So most of the time people miss the YouTube SEO part of uploading the video. So as you know that title and description are pretty important for the making a YouTube video, and equal importance is given to the keyword research, or you can say tags. So in this video I'm going to show you some free tools and how to set up these tags and how to set up the YouTube search algorithm. So for the tutorial purpose we will take one of my old videos where I have done some mistakes and I will point out that in this video. So as you can see, I have made a tutorial video on some technical framework like Node-Express. So in this video I have made a title and directly given the Node-Express generated tool title, which is a pretty common word which will be searched by the other YouTubers also. So most of the chances are there that a pretty main video and a video of some big YouTubers will be there with this name only because they use general keywords. So the best advice for a small YouTubers like me will be that please make your keyword a unique and a long tail keyword. And here our description also doesn't match with the title. So if you are making some title like this Node-Express generated tool and some build basic Node.js skeleton, so it should be there, these chunk of it, some parts of it should be there in your description, first 2 or 3 lines. Here I have put only 1 line, which is not good, and there I have given some links, but for SEO you need to explain your video, what you have done in the video. The important thing which you do in videos is as important that you need to put that down on the description also. So after that there is thumbnail, and which is pretty basic one here, and the main part which is of the video, these keyword research. So as you can see here, my keywords are pretty thin and of 1 or 2 words only, or maximum 3 words. So these 2 words and 3 words tags and or you can say keywords are not good because these are 1 word tags, and for this 1 word tag, and there will be many YouTubers making that video and having that tag. So picking these tags are good for the big YouTubers which are already there big in the market, but for the beginners or a small YouTuber like me, what's the main thing missing here is a long tail keyword. So a long tail keyword is like around 5 or 6 word, or you can say minimum 4 words. You need to find out that only. For this video, for example, we will pick the same topic only. So our topic is like how to keyword research YouTube video. So for getting suggestions around your keyword research, what you need to do is you go to YouTube only and then search that keyword and search that video topic on YouTube with their search bar. So the best way to start on the keyword research is YouTube only. So for me, I will write keyword research, and as you can see on keyword research it is showing me some options which are searched by other people also and which are maximum searched. So for keyword research there is for SEO, the tool in Hindi, and this is for YouTube. So for me it is for YouTube only. So I will click on this one, and this is my short term keyword, or you can say the basic keyword which is there, and I have to make a long tail keyword out of it. So as you can see on the right hand side there is an extension named vidIQ which I have installed on my Chrome. So it tells me about the volume searched of this keyword and the competition on it. So competition is very low and the volume is also around 50, which is pretty moderate. So that's why it is giving me a score of plus 50. So any score which is above the 50 points, it's good for using for your video. So for this keyword it is very good for my video. So I will pick this keyword and I will keep this keyword in my note, and around this I will make other keywords also. So for installing vidIQ, what you have to do is just write vidIQ plugin on Google and it will show you the link vidIQ Vision for YouTube, and you can add this extension on your Chrome. I have already added it, and you can log in here by using your email account which is logged in with your YouTube channel. So after that, on searching and on the videos, you will get this site bar box which will be showing you the details about your keyword. So after getting this score of this keyword, vidIQ also shows you some related keywords. So These are 3 keywords, and if you want more keywords related to this, you can upgrade to Pro, but I don't think there is a need to upgrade to Pro, because free version is giving us enough of details which are required for a new YouTuber. So as this keyword is there is one related keyword which is YouTube keyword research straightforward, and it is having a score of 70, and there is one YouTube keyword research tool also. So both of them are good for me and their score is also good, and put it on my note list. So far we have got 3 keywords by using YouTube search only and vidIQ. So after that I need to show you one more thing, which is this keyword.io tool. Keyword.io tool is very useful and it is free obviously. So in my tutorial all the tools will be free and all the links will be in the description. If you want to go to that tool and install it, you can directly go from the link only. So as our first keyword was keyword research for YouTube, I will directly go to our YouTube tab and type my keyword, and for location let's take US, United States only, and then hit search. So after searching, it will get me the list of keywords which are related to these keywords, and it will be a long tail keyword. So these are the long tail keywords which I can use to make a YouTube title also, and for my keyword research also. And what you can do is that you can directly select which are relevant to you and keep it on the right hand side. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that if your content which you are making is not related to your keyword, then don't use that keyword, because YouTube also penalizes the videos which use keyword stuffing, or you can say if you use some other keyword which is having a high score, but in the video you haven't tell anything about it, then YouTube will penalize you and the viewer also will not see your video till. So after selecting the relevant keywords for myself, I will directly go to export button and then directly download selection as text file. If you are not getting these options and they are grayed out, the main reason is that you have not logged in into keyword.io. So logging into keyword.io is absolutely free. You can make a free account here and from your email only, and you will get the verification mail, and directly click on that verification mail and you will be logged into keyword.io. So after downloading this keywords, I will go to my notes. I will just copy these keywords which are there in the text file and then paste in my existing keywords. So we have got around 9 to 10 tags for our video, or you can say keywords. So after that, if you also want to check the scores of these keywords and want to research more on it, then you can use SEMscoop, which is also a free tool, but having a daily limit on it. So you cannot directly search all the tags for free. For a daily quota it's around I think 10 to 20 keywords only. So use it carefully and use it at the last time when you all get all the keywords which are relevant to you, and just to see the scores. If the score is not good, then you can remove that keyword. So I will directly copy these keywords and go to import keywords and directly paste my keywords, and it will show me the volumes of that keywords and what is the difficulty for that keyword. So in vidIQ it shows the score, and the highest one is good for us, and but in SEMscoop the score which is less is good for us, because if the score is high, then don't make the video on that keyword, and if the score is low, then it is very good and there is no competition on that, and you can make the video on that keyword. And here you can also see the CPC score, the cost per click on that keyword. So if the CPC is also high and the difficulty is also low on that, then you can pick that keyword for sure. So after researching all the keywords, and if you want to remove, and you can remove it on the basis of this keyword difficulty. And after that, what you have to do is you have to separate it comma wise, or you can paste this keyword directly on YouTube one by one. I will suggest you to separate them comma wise. So after separating them comma wise, I will just copy them and go to my YouTube video editor, and this is my YouTube video, and I will just make the changes in my old video only just to show. And this is my tag section. I have removed all tags and just paste it. And one last thing which you need to do is that according to these long tail keywords which are there, best free, keyword research for tool YouTube, and keyword research for YouTube, just make sure that these keywords and this phrase type of it should be there in your title and description also. So according to this keyword, a keyword research for YouTube, I will make my new title. it will make my title relevant to my long tail keywords which are there in my tag section. So after that I will put some additional remarks also, just like free tools, and then latest remark, you can say the year remark, that 2020. This title is pretty short also and pretty crisp and saying everything about my video. You can also add some adjectives like this, best keyword research for YouTube is there. You can change title according to that and make like this, best keyword research for YouTube. So by this you can make your title also which is relevant to your keyword. Just how you have made this relevant to your tags, you have to make a relevant description according to your video and according to your title also. So in description there should be some phrases around this also, best keyword research for YouTube, some best keyword research should be there in your description or something. Free tools phrase should be there in your description, and it should be intentionally put into the natural lines only. You should not make it like this, that you just copy your tags and paste it in your description. It will look like a keyword stuffing and YouTube will penalize you. So that's it guys, that's how you keyword research a YouTube video for free. So if you like this video and it helped you in some of the other way, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel TechBang. Thank you.